Hey, what is going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. What a crazy week in crypto, guys. Bitcoin up over 15% in the last 7 days. We also have Ethereum up over 11% in the last 7 days. And we are seeing the start of something much, much bigger, okay? Also, some nice gains across different altcoins. Avalanche paving the way here, up 25%. Huge gains. And of course, guys, I'm here to give you the rundown on everything. So sit back and relax and listen up, because there is huge news that we're going to go through, okay? And also huge news for the Right Trader. We're going to get started with that right now, guys. We're going to first mention that we have officially began our partnership with the best crypto exchange in existence, guys, Fairdesk. I love their motto here: smooth trading, accurate copying. You can always trust Fairdesk. And what are they talking about here? Fairdesk has something that is very special. On top of being an amazing exchange with spot trading, futures trading, and everything else you could want, they also have copy trading, okay? Now, this is something very, very special, guys. Copy trading allows me to place trades, okay? And automatically, if you join the copy trade program, you will be automatically tracking all the trades that I do. So day or night, if I place a trade, guys, you will be able to track that trade with the capital that you put in, and you will get the same wins as me, okay? So this is something exclusive for my VIP Telegram members only as of right now, okay? So if you're not a VIP Telegram member, make sure to check that out. Also, guys, so here I am on Telegram, guys, and just to give you guys the rundown, this is the Crypto Signals Lite Telegram group that I have. So this is 100% free to join, okay? You can join this. I share my trades, I share valuable market insights, news, everything you could want, guys. You can see some of the profits that I made in the last few days. Look at this, guys. Absolutely insane. Almost $600 in one single day on 2 trades. This is the power of getting into the Telegram and seeing what I'm talking about, okay? And that is just the free group. We also have the Right Trader Elite VIP group, okay? This is where the real gold and money is made, okay? This is, of course, a subscription VIP group, and I'll have a link to the description to this as well. I'll have the link to both groups, but this is really for people who want to take their trading to the next level and enter profitability. And keep in mind, guys, not only do I share all my trades with take profit and stop loss in the VIP group, but you also get granted access into the copy trade on Fairdesk for my group personally, okay? So that is the huge benefit with being a VIP member. Now, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the biggest gainers in the last 7 days. We have Ordinals, and actually this is not by chance, guys. Ordinals, I think, is going to be the best altcoin in the next 2 years. And one of the reasons for that, guys, is they are bringing basically NFTs to Bitcoin, okay? And this is something that is very, very new. We haven't seen this before. And of course, guys, if you like Bitcoin, you're gonna like Ordi, okay? The Ordi altcoin that is allowing for all this to be possible. And we're actually seeing the amount of interest from this being absolutely insane, to the point where now there's gonna be a Sotheby's auction with the first sale ever of Bitcoin Ordinal Connection, okay? So very, very huge news for Bitcoin and for Bitcoin Ordinal NFTs. And that is not it, guys. We have other coins that are really, really performing quite well here. As far as the least performing coins, not that many, guys. For the most part, the market is performing very well. And we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart now, okay? So looking at the Bitcoin chart, guys, we can see that we have made a massive breakout above $38,000. And for right now, we haven't pulled back that much, okay? Now, with that being said, guys, you know that my target is right here around $48,000. That is currently where I'm expecting the price to head next. However, guys, keep in mind that we may see a small pullback before that happens, okay? In terms of where I think that pullback might be, I'll go ahead and draw it out on the chart for all of you guys. I think the likely pullback area here, if we see a retracement, is going to be anywhere between 41K and 38K, right around this orange rectangle that I drew in here. So really, there's only one of two things that are likely to happen with the amount of current strength that we have in Bitcoin. Option A, we first go up higher to 48K, and then we see the pullback. Or option B, we just come down right into this area right around 40K and then start moving higher again. So really here on both sides, guys, there's not much chance for a bearish option. I don't see that being possible right now. And that's actually being backed by data and news here. because if we go ahead and look at the current, data, okay, we can see that this headline here explains it all. Here's why Bitcoin's famed bull market pullbacks have been elusive during the recent price surge, okay? And they say it very, very clearly here. Basically, I'll simplify this for any of you. This current bull market rally has been mostly spot driven, right? That means that there's actually not that much leverage being, now of course there's people doing futures trades and that are taking on leverage, but they're not taking extremely high leverage, and a lot of this upward price action is due to spot Bitcoin being bought, which is extremely bullish for the medium and long term, guys. This is exactly what we want to be seeing, and this is being backed by the actual data itself. So that's why I wanted to share that news article with you guys, and that's of course the benefit of being a subscriber to the YouTube channel. You get these videos, guys, that give you guys everything to the point. You don't need to go sifting through a bunch of news. You don't need to go sifting through a bunch of charts. I give it to you straight right here live. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if you haven't already. Going over to Bitcoin, Ethereum, we can also see a lot of strength. We still have not hit our target of $2,500, which I'm sure will be hit very soon. And by the way, guys, if you're asking me, when will these targets be hit? Okay, like $2,500 for Ethereum, $48,000 for Bitcoin. I think within the next month, guys, by the end of December, early January, these targets should be hit. Okay, and any pullbacks will be pretty minor, as the data has been hinting towards us. For Ethereum, okay, we might even get even a bit less of a pullback than Bitcoin. It's a very, very strong chart. It's barely even wanting to pull back here, so maybe it'll just consolidate a bit, and then we're going to move on towards that $2,500 area. Will we stop there? There's a very high chance that we will not stop there, and that we will move even higher towards $3,000. Okay, so that is something to look forward to as we move forward here. Okay, like I said, guys, we are not in a bull market yet, but we are in a bull run. Okay, we are in a bull run, guys, because we have now moved, for example, for Ethereum, over 150% from the bottom, guys. So we are not bearish anymore. Okay, we are out of the previous, deep bearish cycle that we were in. That is for sure. Now, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple other important news pieces. Actually, talking about Ethereum. SEC pushes deadline to decide on Grayscale spot Ether ETF. Okay, now what does this mean? We can see here the commission said it will have to wait until January 2024 to reach a decision on the spot ETF for Ethereum. Now, there's two things you need to know here, guys. One is, I'm very confident that within the next year, we are going to see a Bitcoin ETF being approved, and that will be a complete permanent game changer for Bitcoin. Okay, when gold got its first ever ETF, it proceeded to 5x in the following years. Bitcoin will probably do much more than that, and at this point, guys, it's just a matter of time and not much more time on when the next when we're going to get our first Bitcoin ETF, and after that many are going to come flooding in. Of course, guys, some altcoins, bigger altcoins, are going to also get ETFs afterwards, but it's not going to happen before or at the same time as Bitcoin, and that's also maybe a strategic thing by BlackRock and other firms. Okay, but I'm very confident that Ethereum will eventually get its ETF as well, a little bit after Bitcoin, though it could be 6 months to 2 years after Bitcoin, but it will get it. And afterwards, right, we may start to see other altcoins being chosen for ETFs down the line, more looking at a 5-year time horizon, but some of the ideas are maybe XRP if it gets away with the lawsuit drama, Solana, Dogecoin. The bigger coins will also be targeted for ETFs, guys, or into ETFs that track multiple cryptos. Okay, so also extremely bullish news for crypto, even though they're saying they pushed back the deadline. This is just irrelevant short-term nonsense. Okay, also thought I would share Deloitte taps Polkadot ecosystems Kilt blockchain for digital shipping logistics. Pretty cool that Deloitte is tapping into Polkadot's ecosystem and blockchain for this. Interesting news for Polkadot. I thought I'd share it. And one of the biggest news pieces for today, guys, if you've been following my Telegram group, okay, even my free Telegram group, I talked about why we're so bullish on Dogecoin and why we currently have a massive Dogecoin long in the premium VIP Telegroup. And that is because, guys, there is going to be a launch by SpaceX that is going to put Dogecoin literally into space, like literally to the moon. Okay, so this is very, very good in terms of hype and publicity for Dogecoin, and Dogecoin has been one of the strongest performers. Actually, it saw a recent pullback here, but it's up 15%. Okay, and actually, let's go ahead and take a look here at Dogecoin is again a top 10 crypto now. You need to keep this in mind, guys. I have a target of $1.50 for the long term here on Dogecoin. So that is why I am extremely bullish on Dogecoin. We can also go ahead and look at the Dogecoin chart here to see a little bit more what's going on behind the scenes. So let's take a look, guys. Overall here, we can see that we have very much, bottomed here. And now we're coming right back up towards that resistance. However, guys, the bullish news here is, let me just clean up the chart real quick here because I have way too many drawings on this. The bullish news here, okay, making this ultra simple for you guys. We have this big resistance right here, which we actually hit again just yesterday, okay? But the good news is that as we're hitting this resistance many times, okay, the more times we hit it, the more likely we are to break the resistance and move higher. That's how it works. So once we break past this, guys, we could shoot up much higher. I'm not going to give details on where exactly because that is exclusive to the VIP members, but we are going to go up a lot higher than where we are now, okay? And long term, we're not even talking about long term, guys. You know my target for long term. So huge potential and trades in Dogecoin alone. Keep that in mind also, guys. And as always, I always like to cover XRP because there's a lot of XRP supporters. One of the things that I like about XRP is it's been tracking a little bit behind Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we see our cup and handle formation here. So I think that it's just about a little bit more time and XRP will be ready to move back above 70 cents. And after that, guys, it's an instant shot up to $1, maybe even a little bit higher, right? We're going to be looking at levels like, for the move for example, $48,000 Bitcoin, 2,500, $3,000 ETH, we're going to be looking at maybe even a little bit over $1 for Dogecoin, right? Something like $1.10 or so. So huge opportunities and trades across the board, guys. I mean, I just mentioned upside potential for free for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, all great opportunities, guys. Be careful with altcoins because not all altcoins are equal. Some of them are much better than others, and that is of course something that I share in the Telegram channels. So if you haven't already, guys, please go check out the Telegram channels, and keep in mind, guys, exclusively for the VIP paid Telegram group members, okay, you have to go ahead, sign up with the link down in the description below to join the VIP Elite Right Trader Telegram group, and that will allow you to access all my trades with detailed information. And on top of that, guys, with our new launch of the Right Trader copy trade on Fairdesk, okay, you will not only be able to get all my trades, but you will be able to sit back, put your money into the copy trade, and then I will be trading for you, okay? You'll just be there to collect the profits whenever you want. But other than that, guys, it's sit back and relax, put your money into the copy trade, and that's it. End of deal. And that's exclusive to the VIP members only, guys. So there's going to be a lot of trades that I'm going to be doing with this. And that is yet another reason why the VIP Telegram group is so valuable. Please keep in mind, guys, that I also have the free Right Trader Crypto Signals free Telegram group. And that is also where I share a bunch of valuable information with now over 79 subscribers completely for free. You can join it today, link in the description down below. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Right Trader Elite VIP Telegram group if you want to get my trades in detail, and also join the copy trade on Fairdesk. For those of you who just want to join Fairdesk because it's the best exchange out there, link to Fairdesk in the description below. Thank you for watching.